Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Today we're going to do headlight replacement in the 2009 Chevy Cobalt. Alright, I highly recommend getting yourself a small socket set of some kind, like this little Cobalt socket set. Any small socket set's good, especially if it has metric and standard in. Because you never know when your headlight bulb's going to blow. You could be on a trip somewhere and you don't want to pay someone to do something this simple, especially if you got to drive 100 miles and nobody's open in the middle of the night with one headlight. Something as simple as this, you can stop at your local Walmart, pick up the bulb, and put it in yourself, because you got the tools with you to do it. So you can start by removing your two 10mm bolts that are on both sides of the headlight. So when you get your bolts out, put them in your pocket or put them in your tool case. But I would recommend putting them in your pocket. That way you can't lose them. They're not going to fall wherever you laid them and roll away. It'll really help you if it's, say, raining out while you're trying to do this. Just remove both of those 10mm bolts. And the headlight, don't twist or pull. The headlight pulls straight out. You kind of just got to work it out of place. Then to get your bulb out, you got to turn this ring. And that releases the ring that holds your bulb into place. On the back of the bulb here are your locks for the bulb. So you pull up on that. Unplug the bulb, and the bulb comes out. Now with any halogen bulb, you never want to touch the glass part of the bulb. It'll shorten the life of the bulb, so you don't want to touch it. You open the box up, make sure you open the box on the plug end of the box. Alright, your headlight only fits in one way. These grooves here on the bulb need to fit the proper grooves. They only fit one way. So don't force it in. Find the proper groove alignment. Put your bulb in. Put your retainer back into place. Plug your bulb back in. Back in business. Alright, and you simply just put your headlight back in. Your whole assembly. There are alignment tabs. This one apparently got broke off at some point. There's an alignment tab here that's just going to hold this back in here. That's just popped into place. You just put your screws back in. Thanks for watching Big Frog's 4x4. That's how you replace the headlight bulb in a 2005 to 2010 Chevy Cobalt. I recommend keeping at least one spare bulb in your car at all times in your trunk. I think my furry friends are coming to say hello. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and the bell if you want to be notified of any future videos as they come out. I release a video every Monday morning. And as always, God bless. It's a cute doggy.